everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to bring you guys something super awesome, and we're gonna do an unboxing today with the company called Tivisiy. So I'm just super excited to share with you guys some unboxing, but if you're wondering like what Tivisiy is a one-stop destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts, and more that helps everyone anywhere brighten your daily life. Now, this was super excited. I am super excited to share with you guys. They wanted to work with me, and I'm just like, yes. I could not decide what I wanted, you guys. I could not decide. They have so many cute things that I'm just like, I just don't know what I want, but we're gonna dig in, and I'm going to dig in with this one first. I am super excited for this. So as you guys see right here, it says, hi, how are you? And it says, hi, Park, but the brand is Tivisiy. But look at you guys, I'm gonna share with you guys on what it is, and I absolutely love this. I had such a hard decision on what I wanted. So these are wooden artwork. It's basically wooden artwork. And look at that, you guys. You guys know my love for butterflies, but look at that. Look at that. So I chose one that has an LED light in it. I am super excited. I'm going to put this on my mantle, or I might even put it on a shelf that I'm going to have behind this little wall. But look at you guys. It is like a 3D leveled layer of, wood. I'm trying to figure out, but isn't that just gorgeous? And I don't know if it'll turn on or if I have to plug it in. Okay, let me plug this in and I'll share with you guys what this looks like. Okay, so it needs to be connected with a USB cord, and I have one just kind of connected to this wall, but you guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love this. Now, this was $39.95 is what I got this for. I do have $39.99. I do have a code for you guys if you want 15% off. But like, if you guys can see that, how lit up that is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I can't wait to have it like plugged in. But it is so pretty. It's like just, I don't even know how many layers. 5 or 6 layers of like wood cut out, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I could stare. I love butterflies. There was 2 different butterfly options. There was the monarch, and then there was a different one, but I just could not decide. But I really liked how the monarch one was just lit up like that. So that is super cute if you guys want something like that. So I'm definitely going to be putting that up by my mantle when I get my shelves put up. But yeah, so you can have it where it's not lit up at all. You can have it where it's not lit up. It is, for that, I just chose a regular USB LED light for the $10 more. But you can have it where it changes colors and like does a flash dance and all that stuff. And you can pay a little bit more if you want for that, but it is super awesome. That one also came in different sizes. I could not decide what I wanted. I think that one was an 8-inch. They had one that was like 14 or 21 inches long. I'm like, oh, I really want that, but I had no space for it. But yeah, so we're gonna open another one. This is the first, this is the one I saw right away, and I'm like, I have to get this. I'm probably gonna keep this with me all year long. I don't care what holiday it is. And if you guys know me, yes, I'm weird, but I absolutely love spiders. I am obsessed with spiders. I think, yes, they're creepy, but I absolutely love them. But look at that, you guys. Now this one I chose not to have the LED light. You can have any of these options. You can have it with the LED light or without. And it's actually pretty light, but I thought this is super adorable. Super adorable. I mean, you could hang it for Halloween, but I thought I'm gonna hang this on my wall all year long. All year long. This one was $29. Okay, this was $29.99, again, without the LED light, but that is super awesome. Just love it. I absolutely love it. And this one also has like 5 or 6 layers, but I mean, I see a pumpkin, I see bats, I see spiders, owls, a haunted house. I mean, just look at the work on that, you guys. It is so gorgeous. I absolutely love that. So I got that, and then I have 2 more unboxings to share with you guys on that. Okay, open this box up. Let's see what's inside. What? So I got this for the kids, actually. I ended up getting, it is a It is a wooden dinosaur puzzle. Now this was $9.99. Yep. Hold on. Yeah. So this was $9.99, and it is just like a little wooden puzzle that the kids can take apart. Yep, I will, honey. I gotta figure out how to take it apart though. Oh, so it's in different pieces. Oh, yes. Hold on, Charlotte. So we got a cool little puzzle. The kids love dinosaurs, and I thought this would be. You like dinosaurs?
Yes.
And I thought the kids would like it. It looks like you take the eyes out, or do you? Or do you? I gotta figure out how to do this. There's no instructions, but he does come apart. I just gotta figure out. I think. Hold on, Charlotte. Just give me a second. So you take. I think you take the eye out, and then that's how he comes apart. Yeah, yeah. So he comes apart like once you take the eye out, and then there's like different pieces and stuff. So I thought this was kind of cool little like work that the kids could do. So I ended up getting this. This was $10, so $9.99. Here you go, Charlotte. They did have different other 3D puzzles, but I thought the dinosaur one kind of looked easy, but kind of looked hard. And then you guys, I had to get this. I had to get this. I absolutely love this. I got myself a 3D wooden ornament. So it's exactly like the one that I just got, just a little version of it. But this was $9.99 also, but super adorable, you guys. Like, look at the work on that.
You do this.
Yeah, go show Ben that. But look at the detail. I love it. It came with string to put on it, but I thought I have to have one of these for a ornament. I just absolutely love it. I think it's super cute, but love it. And then I picked one more thing. I had a budget, and I'm like, okay, I have to get the best bang for my budget. Now, this was on sale. This was a special sale. It may not be this price when you guys buy it, but I could not pass this up. This is gonna be a Halloween decoration. So
look at that.
It's a card, yeah. So this may be a different price, but you guys, this was on sale for $9.99. And they had a ton of different ones.
Got so many animals on it.
Yes. This one I could not decide. They had a ton of skulls, and I thought this would be a really cool Halloween decoration. Yes, honey. There's no. They did have unicorn ones, but I'll get to that in just a second. But look at the detail on this skull, you guys. I thought this would be a perfect little Halloween gift. It is like a Halloween themed one. They had different themes of skulls. Like one reminded me of Pirates of the Caribbean, and then there was a couple other ones, but this one I just loved it because it reminds me so much of Halloween. What I was saying is I just love this, and if you guys can get a great deal for this, definitely go ahead and do it. But I'm just super excited to have this on my mantle for Halloween. I just loved it. They had all different holiday stuff of the 3D printed stuff. They also have garden and like metal statues. We just recently lost my cat, and I was looking at getting like a cat statue because I want to put something where she's buried at, but it just wasn't exactly how I want it to be. But they had some really cute like metal statues. They had jewelry that you guys can look at, and they had these really cool like it looked like galaxy glass shapes that like have lights coming out of them. That was really cool. But yeah, so if you guys love this website, it's Tivisiy. I will put a link and all that stuff below. If you guys purchase something, you guys can use my code. It is DesignerJen15, and you guys will get 15% off. And then I think if you spend so much, you also get free shipping, which is awesome, but super easy to order from their website. Super gorgeous stuff, but I just can't believe, like, I absolutely love this. It looks so much better in person than it did on hand. And then where's my spider? I lost my spider. But I just love the spider. And then we have the awesome little LED butterfly, and I can also keep him without lights on. But and then they also have an option where you can put this together yourself. That was kind of cool. You can buy it to layer all that stuff together and put it by yourself. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thank you, Tivisiy, for sponsoring this video. I am so stoked. I probably want to get more of this stuff for all the holidays, but super, super excited to buy some more stuff from them. But thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Let me know if you purchased anything. Let me know what your favorite item was, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.